Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It is TechWares, and today is January 15th, 2025. NVIDIA is preparing the GeForce Game Ready 570 drivers for the RTX 50 launch. Alright, so the reviews have already started. NVIDIA just released the drivers for the reviewers so they can update their review sample graphics cards. And it took minutes for the new driver to leak on ChipHill. ChipHill has been a forum where many recent leaks from the RTX 50 series all to the AMD 90 series or 9070 series have been happening. All right, and this is just a cool image that video cards put together, or maybe I think they're just using an image from the NVIDIA press deck. As you can see, it shows the prices also with the release dates. So the RTX 5090 Founders Edition, also the AIB or the custom board partner boards. it's gonna launch at $2,000 or $1,999. 5080 FE Founders Edition, also the AIB, $1,000, and that's both on January 30th at the end of this month. You have the RTX 5070 Ti at $750, and that's in February next month. Also the 5070. So the 5070, 5070 Ti, both in February. 5080 and 5090, January 30th. So according to a screenshot shared by HXL, which is a leaker on Twitter or X, as you can see, shows 571.86, and that's the game ready driver for the Windows 10 and 11. Of course, it's the 64-bit, and it's the international. They've also included the RTX 50 series reviewers guide for the reviewers, and also RTX neural rendering, I guess, documentation for the reviewers as well, to learn about and understand, and so they can convey it to their viewers or their readers. So video card goes on to say, what's important here is that NVIDIA has a new driver branch, 570, which will be released alongside the RTX 50 series. The exact version of the launch driver will likely be different from the press drivers. This driver should support both the RTX 5080 and 5090, while there's no data for the 5070 series launch yet, nor any discussion about media sampling. This driver should also come with updated NVIDIA app support and also the DLSS 4 version overriding. Reviewers should also gain access to beta versions of games that support DLSS 4, such as Cyberpunk 2077, but this is not covered by the drivers. So that's really it for today, guys. Yeah, these new generation graphics cards from NVIDIA have been announced. We're waiting for the official announcement of the RDNA 4, of course, Radeon RX graphics cards, the new generation AMD graphics cards that are should be happening soon. So yeah, 2025, exciting year. New hardware, new releases, new announcements. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everyone. Peace.